GOBO is short for Go Between Optics. In theater and events, it's generally referring to a disc-shaped stencil placed in a lighting fixture to project an image or pattern. Our standard GOBO is metal, but other options can be available upon request. A full GOBO setup only takes a few pieces to complete. First, we'll choose a mounting fixture. The C-clamp would be used for a rigging system or truss, while the inline fixture would be used for a stand. For today's example, we'll be mounting the GOBO light onto a stand, so we'll use the inline fixture. To install the inline fixture, simply loosen the bolt and mount it onto the bracket on the light. Tighten the bolt by hand and further by wrench if necessary. Next, we'll prep our C-stand. Loosen the knob to arrange the legs so that they interlock and retighten the knob. When placed correctly, they should resemble a 3-spoke triangular shape. The mass of the light should be placed over the longest leg. Further adjustments can be made to the height of the stand. GOBO lights have a variety of applications, from across a room, or onto a floor or ceiling, or even the side of a building, so the correct height can vary widely depending on the use. The light can then be mounted and secured. Generally speaking, the light would be mounted before the C-stand is placed at its final height. Next, we can make sure that the barn doors are open so that the light can shine through. These can later be adjusted if unwanted light pollution is experienced with your GOBO. Now that all that is prepared, we're ready to add a lens. Lenses come in different fixed distances so that you can set the light where you want and adjust the GOBO size via the lens instead of having to change your light placement. Both the camera and the light in stationary positions, we can see the dramatic difference in the size as the lenses are changed out. Now we're finally ready for our GOBO. Place it into the GOBO tray, upside down and backwards. Then simply slide the tray into the slot. Not unlike a USB input, this might take a few tries. And finally, we can hook up the power and find our place to shine for the event. The focus can be adjusted by loosening the securing knob and sliding the placement of the lens in the fixture. Do this until you get a nice crisp image. And just like that, your GOBO is ready to accent your event. We look forward to helping you with your future GOBO needs.